In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best carry-on luggage. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best carry-on luggage. Number 5. Travel Pro MaxLite 5. The Travel Pro MaxLite 5 is one of the lightest and most reliable travel companions available. Weighing only 5.4 pounds, it's built with durable, water-resistant polyester and eco-friendly lining made from recycled plastics. The 360-degree spinner wheels glide smoothly across any surface, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort on the go. With expandable storage, multiple organizational pockets, and sturdy zippers, it's perfect for both short and long trips. Plus, its limited lifetime warranty and trusted build make it a traveler's favorite for years of dependable adventures. Number 4. Away Carry-On Luggage. The Away Carry-On offers a sleek, modern design that balances durability and style. Made from a tough yet lightweight 100% polycarbonate shell, it keeps your belongings protected while remaining easy to lift and maneuver. Inside, you'll find a clever compression system, a laundry bag, and smooth 360-degree spinner wheels that make traveling effortless. Its TSA-approved combination lock and adjustable handle add peace of mind and comfort. Whether for weekend getaways or business trips, this pick is a top-tier choice for anyone who loves to travel smart. Number 3. Samsonite Paralux. The Samsonite Paralux stands out for its innovative dual-access design that lets you reach essentials through the front pocket without sacrificing space. It includes removable packing cubes, a compression panel, and even an AirTag holder for tracking your bag. The suspension wheel technology ensures a smooth glide over any terrain, and the expandable shell adds extra room when needed. Built with TSA-approved locks for security and crafted from sustainable materials, this carry-on is the ideal balance of innovation, organization, and travel comfort. Perfect for both business and leisure travel. Number 2. Briggs & Riley Simpatico Essential. The Briggs & Riley Simpatico Essential is all about craftsmanship, functionality, and reliability. With an expandable design that adds up to 25% more space, it's ideal for travelers who like to pack efficiently. The 360-degree spinner wheels and multiple grab handles make navigating airports a breeze, while the built-in TSA lock keeps your belongings safe. It also includes mesh zip pockets and a power pocket for charging on the go. Backed by an industry-leading lifetime repair guarantee, this luggage is built to last, giving you the confidence to travel anywhere stress-free. Number 1. Tumi Alpha. Taking the top spot, the Tumi Alpha International Carry-On is the definition of premium travel gear. Made from Tumi's signature FXT ballistic nylon, it's built to withstand years of global adventures. The dual-access front and split-case entry make packing effortless, while the USB-C port keeps your devices powered anywhere. Designed to meet international size limits, it even includes a garment sleeve for wrinkle-free clothes. Elegant, durable, and incredibly functional, this suitcase combines luxury with practicality. Perfect for the modern traveler who demands the best. And there you have it, the top 5 best carry-on luggage designed to make every trip smoother, smarter, and more stylish. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.